Hey guys, welcome to another showcase video of some awesome free sound effects, and you can check out sonys.com. And this isn't a video sponsor or anything, it's just these are the guys who release the free content, and they have a library of hundreds of thousands of sound effects for any different scenario that you're looking for. So be sure to check these out if you're looking for sound effects in the future. Like I said, an absolute crazy library of every single sound effect you can ever imagine. But every time a GDC comes around, they release a free package of high quality sound effects for games, films, whatever it may be. You can read the license and view the track list, and you can select all the downloads or a torrent, and you can check out these 25 gigabytes and beyond of free content. And it's just an absolute random package of loads of sound effects, so it's always worth doing it if you make any type of game, because you never know when you might need a specific sound effect. It might be something really obscure, but it might be really helpful to you. Be sure to check this out. Check sonys.com and all their other years where they've done GDC. I'll put the links in the description to the old video that I did featuring the last year's and the years before content, so you can take a look. So be sure to thank them and get hold of this yourself. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.